Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy for your BSc nursing program. First, begin by understanding the foundational concepts rather than immediately memorizing every detail. Focus on the why behind structures. Next, always connect anatomical structures to their physiological functions. This provides crucial context. Finally, make extensive use of visual aids such as detailed diagrams, anatomical atlases, and interactive three-dimensional models to enhance your learning and retention. To study effectively, practice active recall by regularly quizzing yourself on what you've learned. Don't just reread notes, actively retrieve information. A powerful technique is to draw and label anatomical structures from memory. This significantly reinforces your understanding. Consider forming study groups with peers to discuss complex topics, explain concepts to each other, and clarify any uncertainties you might have. This collaborative approach can be very beneficial. For essential resources, invest in a comprehensive anatomy textbook and a detailed anatomical atlas. These are your primary references. Supplement these with online platforms that offer interactive quizzes, high-quality videos, and virtual dissection tools. Many free and paid options exist. Additionally, flashcards are incredibly effective for memorizing specific terms, definitions, and the origins and insertions of muscles. Consistent use of these tools will greatly aid your retention. To stay motivated throughout your anatomy studies, remember to take regular short breaks. This prevents burnout and significantly improves your focus during study sessions. Celebrate your small achievements like mastering a difficult system or acing a quiz. This positive reinforcement is crucial. Also, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Stay persistent, and you will succeed in your BSc Nursing Anatomy course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.